Picture yourself in a remote cabin, miles from the nearest cell tower. You open your laptop, type a complex coding prompt, and hit enter. Within seconds, an AI reads your local directories, debugs your software, and writes a functioning script, all without sending a single byte of data over the internet. We are now dealing with massive language models, holding roughly 35 billion parameters, capable of spinning up entirely within the memory of consumer hardware. They read files and rewrite code with absolute autonomy. This bar chart shows inference speeds. You can see local models like Qwen 3.6 and North Mini regularly hitting 30 to 40 tokens per second on standard hardware, matching the output rates of flagship cloud models. That 30 token per second mark is a critical threshold. It is the minimum baseline speed required for an AI to process loops fast enough to act as a seamless, real-time autonomous agent. Achieving state-of-the-art reasoning locally completely eliminates the need for proprietary cloud APIs. You retain absolute privacy over your codebase, and you pay $0 in corporate inference costs. But dropping a language model onto your hard drive does not automatically give it agency. To perform actual work, the system must be split into two distinct parts, a reasoning engine and an operating environment. The reasoning engine, served by tools like Ollama, is a static brain. It takes in a prompt and predicts the text that should follow, but by itself, it has no physical way to touch your computer. To act, that brain needs a nervous system. We call this a coding harness, software like Qwen-Code or Codex. This harness wraps around the language model and acts as its hands. When the model outputs a specific string of text, the harness intercepts it and translates it into an active permission. It grants the model the ability to open project folders, read individual files, and write new code directly to your disk. The harness even enables the model to execute terminal commands. If the AI writes a script, it can run it, read the error logs, and feed those errors right back into itself to verify the code and attempt a rewrite. This deeply integrated, localized architecture operates entirely on your machine. It sits in sharp contrast to the walled-off environments maintained by centralized cloud AI providers. Making a local AI truly useful requires a specific trade-off. You are taking a probabilistic text engine and granting it physical power over your hard drive. This introduces a fascinating paradox. Developers flee the cloud to protect their privacy, only to invite root-level vulnerabilities directly into their personal environments. If an unconstrained agent hallucinates the wrong shell command, the blast radius is severe. A simple mistake could permanently delete or corrupt your entire workspace. Furthermore, the concept of a totally sealed system is often an illusion. Open-source coding harnesses still possess hidden data egress behaviors. Your actual coding prompts might stay local, but by default, tools like Qwen-Code often send session IDs, metadata, and usage statistics back to corporate servers. Securing this setup requires you to manually audit the code. You must dig into JSON configuration files and explicitly kill telemetry streams and automatic background updates. True digital privacy is not a software default. It is a rigid perimeter that requires you to act as your own chief security officer. Once the security is handled, managing a local agent becomes an exercise in economics. On a local machine, RAM and processing speed are finite currencies. This chart tracks token usage. Heavy harnesses like Claude Code feed file history back into the model, creating a steep curve of token consumption. By contrast, lean harnesses like Codex achieve the same success rates by managing context tightly, consuming a fraction of input tokens. Because the model processes fewer tokens, it doesn't have to work as hard. Pairing a local model with a leaner harness effectively doubles the real-world speed of the agent without forcing you to upgrade your hardware. Mastering local AI goes beyond selecting the smartest reasoning model. It requires optimizing the efficiency of the harness driving it. The ultimate secure local setup relies on distance. It uses an SSH tunnel from a lightweight front-end laptop connecting to a heavily sandboxed dedicated back-end server where the agent actually runs. The true luxury of the local stack is possessing a fully autonomous, subscription-free intelligence that is bound entirely by the constraints you explicitly designed. This video is AI generated with Notebook LM based on Dr. Sebastian Roschke's research and is for informational purposes only. Thanks for watching.